So over here, you can see that I got some storyboard panels, and some of them are in the same sequence while some of them are separate, as you can see right here. So if you want to export this out as a PDF file, then you can go around onto file right here. You can then go to export option right here. And from export, you can see PDF is an option. So once you go around and click on PDF, now you can select out the parameters for the export, as you can see. So you can go for like legacy Japanese format, like alternate vertical layout, like overview, full page, and so forth, as you can see. So let me just go around onto the 3-panel vertical format right here, just like this. So now what you can do is you can select selected scenes right here. You can go around and select, let's say, for example, only this scene right here, or you can go around and select current scene that is selected, or only the current panel as well. But I'm going to go around and click on all, and over here in the dissemination path, I'm going to go around and choose desktop right here and press save. You can rename this to whatever you want as well. And now in order to export it, I'm going to press the export button right here. So once I do that, the exporting is complete, as you can see, and it opens up the PDF file, as you can see. So over here, you can see the name of the scene right here, and you can see the details right here. So you can see that there is this detail right here. You can see the scene duration panel and everything right here, which is exported out, as you can see. All of the descriptions, if it is there, then it'll show up right here. And that is how you can export out your storyboard as a PDF file from within Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.